Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to another video. So today this is what we're going to be working on, this delicious jug of sorrel. And here are my ingredients that I will be using. And remember the last video, which I will link in the description down below. So I had this, I brewed this sorrel for 2 days, right? And it was sitting for 2 days. So now let's sweeten it. So I'm going to get a big container and pour my sorrel in, right? So just pour everything in, and then when the sorrel itself start dripping into your strainer, by the way, we're just going in, right? So yeah, get your strainer, pour the sorrel in your strainer, and you need this in your strainer. Now don't just throw this away. Now this is the close-up of it. Do not just throw it away. So you're going to get to whether squeezing with your hand or use your spoon and just press it in the strainer, because you're trying to just get the juice, all that extra juice that is into the sorrel. Oh yeah, Vibes Sam, you need all that niceness. Do not just pour off the sorrel and then throw it away. No, always squeeze it, because I promise you there is excess juice in it. So once you're done, then you can pour that whether in the trash or into whatever container, because of course you know you can make some sorrel cake, right? But anyway, yes, so you're gonna keep doing that until you have completed the whole batch of sorrel. You need to juice all of it. Okay, so here it is now, and we are gonna get to sweetening it. So add the amount of sugar that you want, and I'm using brown sugar. I prefer brown sugar or dark sugar, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going in with some Ray and Nephew White Proof rum. Not adding a lot because we are not drinkers. And I'm adding some Red Label wine. So really add this according to your desired taste, right? According to what you like. So you see the sugar is in there? Yeah. So you want to just stir it up until the sugar is dissolved, and taste it, Vibes fam. Taste. When you sweeten it, taste it and see if it's to your liking. Now mine needed a little bit more rum and a little bit more wine. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm adding just a tips more. So go ahead and stir that up, and then this is gonna be us. So let's pour it out. Yes, get a little glass and pour. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have it. This delicious, refreshing Vibes fam. Look at the color. Look at that beautiful. When I tell you this sorrel is rich, like billionaire, trillionaire, zillionaire kind of rich, right? Not no little thousandaire rich. No, proper rich. But yeah, Vibes fam, this is it. This is my sorrel. I'm all ready. Do you want to drink? But thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam, and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to please click the thumbs up and share the video, all right? And go ahead and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you.